Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and this video is going to be for those guys who have been asking a lot of questions over Google, over YouTube, that how to put my pop sockets on. Now, if you guys are watching my channel closely, I have a pop socket creative shot video which was shot like around about 6 months back. Do watch that video. That video will change your life. That this pop socket can do so much of stuff. So quickly we are going to open this up, and we are going to see how it looks. So in the beginning you're going to get a pop socket like this. I'm a big fan of Tom Cruise's Top Gun, and that's the reason I found this Top Gun version of it. So at the back there will be a small film. I don't know whether you guys can see or not. So at the back of it, you'll find a small film. You have to remove the film, otherwise it's not going to stick. Second thing, you're going to take out your phone and you have to think about your grip. So if you hold your phone like this, so which means there's a split out here. So this should be a location of your pop socket. So which means that whenever it elevates, so this is how you plan out your pop socket sticker. So you open this up. You take your grip, so which is your usual grip. So you want to hold the phone like this, or if you want to hold the phone like this, decide your grip. And after that, when you're done, try to place your stuff like this. So your stuff should go somewhere out here, right? And now we are going to see how it's installed. So let's peel this film off. So once it's peeled, what you're going to do is that you have to place this in that position that you have early thought about. So, and there you go. That's it. So now you have attached that. Now what you can do is that for extra firmness, you just pop this back in and give it a gentle 2 or 3 second kind of a push so that everything pops in. And that's it, guys. Now basically what you do is that whenever you're using your phone, just open this up, and that's how it fits. Now when you see like that, whenever you're holding this will never even fall. So that's how sturdy it is. So whichever way you're using it, from your left hand or from your right hand, it's very easy. So you guys have to decide what grip you want, and then you place it according to the grip. Afterwards, you'll not face any sort of problems. Okay guys, so pop sockets are not only to hold your stuff like this, but it's a kickstand as well. So which means that now you do not basically need to invest on kickstands or anything. You can keep your stuff like this and watch your movies and watch your favorite YouTube channel, which again is Opinions Matter. I hope so, and I know that it is so. So that's how the ways you can use your pop sockets with your phones, iPhones. If you want iPads, you can actually add 2 or 3 of them to wrap your cables around it also. Remember, just to take this off, you just gently, tuck your nails inside it and just peel it. That's it. That's an easy removal process. Tuck your nails in, peel it. So goodbye guys. This is your host Das from Opinions Matter. I wish you a nice day. Adios.